Good morning, you all, respected teachers in life sciences, and my dear friends from all over India and abroad who are associated with us through this online platform and are continuously helping us in circulation of the brochure of our programs. My friends and founder members of Botany for You, Dr. Nishikant Vase, Senior Scientist from Virginia, US, and Dr. Nitin Labhane, Associate Professor from Mumbai, Dr. Tushar Wankhede, Associate Professor from Amravati, and Dr. Deepak Koche, Professor from Akola, and my dear students from India and abroad. Myself, Dr. Pitambar Humne, Founder Botany for You, and Associate Professor and Head Department of Botany, Dharampet MP Dev Memorial Science College, Nagpur, welcome you all on this online platform Botany for You on occasion of 3 days national workshop on CSIR UGC NET JRF LS preparation in life sciences scheduled from 17th August to 19th August 2020. Friends, our mission is to empower students in life sciences to be achievers as well as responsible, committed individuals with human values so that they can become asset to family, society, nation, and the world. Malcolm X said, education is the passport of the future for tomorrow belongs to those who prepare for it today. This means that if any want to be achiever for tomorrow, then it's essential to prepare for this today. And hence we have taken this initiative in the form of online platform for the students of life sciences to guide the students in their academics, career opportunities and personality development. We are continuously trying our best to give such knowledge through this online platform Botany for You. Since its inception, we have organized many programs for the students of life sciences in India and abroad. It gives me an immense pleasure to share with you that this platform has more than 8,500 registrations from India and abroad. In the last month, that is from 21st July to 25th July 2020, we have organized 5 days national workshop on CSIR UGC NET JRF LS preparation in life sciences, part 1, which was organized in association with Dharampet MP Dev Memorial Science College, Nagpur, Bhavans College, Andheri West, Mumbai, Shri Shivaji College of Science, Amravati, and Shri Shivaji College of Arts, Commerce and Science, Akola. Today, we are here on occasion of 3 days national workshop on CSIR UGC NET JRF LS preparation in life sciences part 2. This will continuously organize till the completion of the syllabus of CSIR UGC NET, and from next month we will try to incorporate one examination followed by workshop so that it will be more advantageous to all of you. Friends, today we have 4 guest lectures in our technical schedule. The first lecture will be delivered by Dr. I. Rachana Kumari, Assistant Professor in Genetics, Bhavans Vivekananda College of Science and Humanities and Commerce, Sainikipuri, Telangana, on basic of molecular biology. Madam is passionate teacher and she has completed her PhD in genetics from Osmania University in 1998. She has qualified CSIR UGC NET JRF in 1991, GATE in 1992, and Agricultural Research Scientist, that is ARS examination in 1997. She has presented 7 research papers and 2 research papers are published in national and international journals. She has more than 22 years of teaching and administrative experience in higher education in the field of life sciences. The second guest speaker in this technical session is Dr. O.S. Deshmukh, Associate Professor in Botany, Mahatma Phule Mahavidyalaya, Varud, Maharashtra, who will deliver his lecture on recombinant DNA technology. Sir has completed his PhD from Sant Gadge Baba Amravati University, Amravati. In 2017, he has completed one minor research project funded by UGC and also he is a PhD guide. His 19 research papers are published in various national and international journals. Also, he is author of 2 books. He is member of many organizations and having more than 15 years of teaching experience. The third guest speaker, that is Mr. Rajesh Dhakne, Assistant Professor in Microbiology, Jayantrao Sawant College of Commerce and Science, Hadapsar, Pune, Maharashtra. He will deliver his lecture on adaptations in animals, that is mimicry. He has qualified twice CSIR UGC NET in 2018 and 19, SET and GATE in 2018, and TOEFL in 2014. He is working as editor-in-chief for International Journal of Microbial Science. 6 research papers have been published by him in national and international journals, and is author of 2 books. He has delivered many invited guest lectures and having fellowships and awards in his credit, like Major Research Project Fellow, Senior Research Fellow, Top 100 Motivational Authors of India in 2018, and Author of the Year 2019. He has many biological research skills as well. Fourth guest speaker for this technical session is Mr. Shivdas Ahir, Assistant Professor in Botany, MSP Arts Science and KPT Commerce College, Manora, District Washim, and his title of lecture is Nitrogen Metabolism. He has qualified NET in 2017 and twice SET in 2017 and 18. He has completed his master degree in 2016 from Sant Gadge Baba, Amravati University, Amravati. He has 3 research publications in national and international journals and is a budding faculty in life sciences. Friends, I am sure this workshop will be helpful in preparation of CSIR UGC NET JRF LS examination. Such many more workshops will be organized through this online platform Botany for You for the students of life sciences. The next schedule for this workshop is 21st to 23rd September 2020 as part 3. Soon after completion of admission process of BSc Part 1, we will organize a special program for the BSc first year students in life sciences. And in coming 2 or 3 months, we will try our best to bring most of the syllabi of life science subjects on our YouTube channel Botany for You, so that due to COVID-19 pandemic, the students may not face the problems for preparation for their examinations. This will be additional feeding to them and help them to enhance their knowledge and skills in academics. One more thing I would like to bring to your kind notice that we are not providing any certificates to the students. So please not to ask for the certificates. Once you have registered for Botany for You, there is no need to register again. You must remain attached with us through our Telegram group, as all type of instructions are only available on Telegram group. If you feel that this online platform Botany for You is useful for the students of life sciences and is playing an important role in guiding the students and research scholars in academics as well as in career opportunities and personality development, then kindly like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel Botany for You, and also visit our Facebook page Botany for You. This will help us to provide the best services in future and also will help you in upcoming program alerts. Thank you very much for your response and support. Thanks a lot.